Guys, we're gonna be taking on a project today. We're gonna be, well, not today, but we're gonna be trying to shop for the stuff to, what is wrong with this kid? To renovate this dining chair. Yeah, these are non-existent. The padding is non-existent. The color is tattered and torn. And yeah, we just want to restore it so that we, you know, can get it looking nice and decent again like it once was. It's not a bad piece, you know. I like the whole rustic tile vibe as the detail on the iron. It's a wrought iron dining chair, but we're gonna change this whole seating, remove the padding and the cover, and just restore the entire thing. So that's the mission today. Hopefully we'll be successful in finding something that will work. All right, so the thing set. So we're gonna try to see if, I'm not sure if Walmart sells fabric, but we're gonna look for fabric to wrap the chairs that I was telling you guys about, and see if we like any of them, if they do sell it. So that's what the mission is right now. And yeah, let's go.
Oh my God, we are going to the store. We're gonna find the fabric that we need and so much more. Oh my God, let us go and buy the thing, and then we're gonna go home, and then we're gonna sing. Oh my God. Joe and Frederick, we're going into that store now. Hello. And we're walking down the aisle, looking for the material. And we don't want the chip to spoil. Joe and February, 40% off sale. Looking for the thing that we like. Don't know who it is. Tell us what to buy.
It look like store clerks are scarcity these days. I can't tell the last time I saw a store clerk in any of the stores that we've been in. Ridiculousness.
It's a calico.
Let's head to the back. This is all so you can come back and look at this. This is all the vinyls, and then down this way, almost any of these.
So the used?
Are you? This is pretty nice, pretty thick. Colors look like they will work for the space. Yeah. Oh, we're still looking though. We're still looking. These light colors are not practical.
It's not bad. If you have better, different furniture. It's not bad.
It's not bad. Why is it more expensive?
If you want the regular.
I'm not paying more money for regular. Prefer go cheaper with extravagante. Or store what? Isn't this what you have at the house?
I have the brown at the house, but I don't have this with this type of
Finish.
thing. Yeah.
Okay, so this is.
I don't really
for-
like this. I don't know if I want to use this because you like that finish.
That's how it's gonna feel.
Yeah.
No, so they don't have one that looks that way, but has a smooth finish.
No. Unless you want to just go all the way over with everything and do this. Which I don't mind. I would take the table out and everything and finish it in this. You know.
Okay.
So you want to do that?
Yeah. DIY projects are not as easy as you think, or maybe me, not as easy as I thought, and not as cheap as I thought, because everything adds up. You want to rewrap, you have to buy not only the fabric, you have to buy the padding, you have to buy bad tin, you have to buy staple gun if you don't have one, you have to buy glue, you have to buy, oh my gosh. So sometimes it works out that it's better you just buy something brand new, because these DIY projects be adding up, guys. They be adding up. Ridiculous. Not to talk about when you come to Home Depot, this is a whole workout to walk up and down the aisles trying to find something. Oh no, it's not over this aisle, it's over aisle 500 down the road. I'm like, really? Awesome. But it's fun. I mean, sometimes the joy that you get from doing something from scratch, far outweighs any brand new unboxing that you could have done. So, I mean, yeah, there's that payoff too that you can look forward to. Which I'm looking forward to that.
You can just use this to just regular brown like the chair, like the dining chair. We don't have to necessarily, spray it with any type of, did we have anything else in our hand? No. Alright, let's go.
It's a whole vibe. A whole day vibe. So, let me see what these people have. I'm hungry.
And they got a whole bunch of stuff.
Wow.
That's the brisket right there, right?
Looks good. Ooh, samples up in here. Thank you.
How is it?
Super good.
So you want?
You guys serve it with a sauce?
If we our motto, we don't destroy the fish with the sauce. We leave that to y'all.
Right. It's good.
So you want the half pound of brisket? Okay.
That just made me happy. The brisket. You like it?
It's good.
So why are you giving me back? Why are you giving me back? It's good.
I'm always looking for good food.
Us too. Yeah, because we done ate this so much, man. We don't even eat no more. We want it out now. And been here a year. I think it up to my first 3 months here. My wife even tell me, she was like, baby, don't bring home no one that. I'm like, okay. My daughter, on the other hand, the only thing she wanted some French fries.
Oh no.
I gotta take her French fries every
Your
day.
French fries are good?
We have
Daughter,
waffle fries.
we got waffle fries.
Oh Lord. You shouldn't even mention that.
Are they seasoned?
We have a seasoning that we put on them after.
Ooh.
That's what the company call it fufu. I'm like, what is a fufu?
I know. Listen, I know. Accio is a good time around here.
Oh, man. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God.
You guys are beefing? No pun intending.
You know, a lot of people who say they're doing now, we're now living in Port St. Lucie. I had this guy, he said, I'm doing sausages.
Okay.
When I bought the sausages, I come to find out it's that store-bought thing. He just dumped. And when does it really get popping around what time?
Usually on like Thursday and Friday around 6. That's when everybody starts coming. But then things like that.
Style, you know, they had like good chicken, good pork, good brisket. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you the brisket. Tastes awesome.
And they do it in all different kind of styles.
All different styles.
Loaded baked potatoes.
Yeah, they had pulled pork. I mean, real American thing, and so we had to buy some because guess what? We haven't tried anything out of our genre for quite some time, and that's one of the things that we're gonna be doing. You know, more often mukbang with different types of food. As we stumble upon them, we're gonna get it and do it. We would do these things at the restaurant, but I'm not about that Corona life. So yeah, hey, big up on yourself, guys. Listen, more food mukbangs coming. Yeah, make we get into the food now. All right, I'm gonna come off of the road now. I'll go home and get into the eating the food. It is such a good thing.
Yeah, the better TV. So thank you guys so much for watching Vlogmas day 14, and stay tuned definitely for our subsequent videos where we will show you exactly how we do the DIY and what fabric we ended up choosing and just the overall finished look. And thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Love you guys. Bye.